as Leila Barros gets a tremendous round of applause. That has been a major question, alam mo, Chiki. Will she play today? And sinagot siyempre ni Coach Rosende, yes, she will play. For how long?
We don't know. Nako, masaya ang mga Leila Barros fans at yung mga nakadilaw dito. Napakadaming Brazilian fans dito ngayon. Sa PhilSports Arena, nagkalat sila at inaasahan nga nila na magpapakitang gilas ngayon si Leila. At mukhang tinupad naman ang pangarap nila. Binigay naman sa kanila ni Coach Bernardino at pinasok si Leila.
Take a look at the referees handling this match. Our first referee is Dean Turner from Australia. And our second referee is from Thailand. We have Song Samba, Chow Yun Pong.
And taking a look now at China's lineup. Ito yung sinasabi kasi si Sun Yuwei. She has a following of her own. You heard that loud applause as Sun Yuwei was introduced. And Yin Yin coming in, Li Yan. So this is the first six that we expected to see on the floor, Anthony. And this is going to be a showdown. If their first meeting is going to be any indication, we're going for 5 sets here again. Mag-vocalize ka na, Anthony.
Well, my voice has not even recovered from yesterday, but you know, I'm just so glad to be doing this match, even if it's for third place, because alam mo, this is the very first time I'll actually be covering Brazil, who we covered twice last year, so it's a homecoming of sorts for me. First time I'm seeing this team.
So you missed Leila too, just like everybody else.
Very, very much.
Oh, talking about Leila Barros, umpisahan na natin ngayon pa lang because madami talaga nagtatanong kay Leila kung siya ba ay magtutuloy-tuloy pa dito sa Team Brazil pagkatapos ng World Volleyball Grand Prix at ng Olympics. Ang sagot niya, kung kakailanganin ako ni Coach Bernardino, pag-iisipan ko. But really her priority after the Olympics is to start a family. She is married, sorry guys, to a man named Luis Gustavo who is a swimmer.
And now somebody might go up to that swimmer and just drown him or something.
Wala siya dito. At saka balita hindi naman siya masyadong seloso. Alam niya kung ganong kasikat yung asawa niya. At cool naman daw siya. Tinatanong siya how he takes it and he says he takes it in stride. He knows that it comes with a territory.
And he knows he's very privileged. As we see there, that first shot there by Erica draws Brazil even. 1 point apiece. First set pa lang po tayo.
All right, Erica Coimbra is at the serve. This is the emerging superstar, a discovery for all of you after the 2000 Volleyball Grand Prix. She's only 20 years old. A lot to expect out of this newcomer.
And Erica is also the #1 server here in our tournament. And that's very surprising because she comes up with a lot of very strong offensive serves.
Oh, malakas sa loob niyan sa jump serve si Erica Coimbra. She's also the 4th best attacker.
They go outside. And no one in the middle there. The Brazilians looking good early.
So far, so good for Brazil. And that was Kara Pacquiao, si Raquel Silva. She was named the best player in one of the matches that they played here. The one against Korea in the 3rd leg. So talaga may bubugayan. Karin Rodriguez is also starting here.
Middle attack there. Answered by the Brazilians. They go to Leila. And she goes wide.
Jitters. Alam mo, mahirap. You're taking center stage after a long time. You know that all of these people are screaming your name. Alam mo, I can't blame her pag medyo ninenervyos siya ngayong bagong pasok siya.
A whole lot of pressure, of course, on her shoulders. She wants to show what she can do. That is off the blockers.
Oh, it's called inside by the lines judge. Mahigpit ang lines judge natin at sinabi na puntos yan para sa China. It's now 4-2 in this first set.
Wow, early going to Leila to please the crowd. This time she goes the other side. Middle attacker is blocked. But it went in. Puntos na naman po ng China. They're up 5-2.
Wu Yongmei there going up at the middle, and that's why she is the best scorer. I want to see Wu Yongmei on the other side. See she is number 5. She is the best scorer here on the Chinese side. She's going up, dummying, in there.
They go back to the other side.
Pacquiao finds the corner. Ganda nun, ang lalim nun, Anthony. No rehome over there on the Chinese side. And the crowd going crazy. You want to guess who's up to serve?
This may be the last time the Filipinos see Leila Barros in action. She just could retire after the Olympics. From the back row. They set it up. Yin na naman. Erica from the back. That's off the
Erica, talaga makikita mo her youth. She's like the Energizer Bunny. You know, she doesn't stop jumping around. She has so much energy bursting out of her. As Leila takes her second serve.
Some trouble there, but let's see what Yin Yin can do. Straight to the libero.
Rare mistake there by Ricardo Lima, the number 1. But hindi ganun kalakas yun.
Yin Yin now comes up to serve. Our score is 6-4 in favor of China. Wow. Just saves it. That's going to be a free ball.
Ay, naku si Heiki. Yan yung sinasabi natin. The tricks, upper sleeve, they're starting to come out little by little. Early in this first set, nagpapakita na itong si Heiki na sinasabi niya sa Brazil. Alam niyo, kung ako kalaban niyo, hindi pwedeng tutulog-tulog kayo dyan.
Well, of course, this is volleyball at its highest.
Nice dig. Nice receive there by Leila Barros.
And Raquel there almost. Quick set. Leila saves it. It's going to be a free ball once again for China. They set up their offensive. Heiki, back set. And that will bring them to 8-4. We reach our first technical timeout. Both these teams playing pretty good, but the Chinese just playing much better.
Coming in here. At unti-unting pumupuno by the time we play the finals a little later on, Anthony. Halos hindi ko tayo makakahingi muli dito sa Field Sports.
It's hot enough as it is.
Have come to love this game of volleyball. Huh?
Raquel going wide.
A bunch of errors we're seeing on the side of Brazil. Most of them unforced, and they have to shape up if they want to go up against a very precise team like China. China, Anthony, is known for their precision and also their quick transitions. Kumbaga transition open sa basketball. At yun, pinakita ng Brazil na meron din sila mga trick plays.
9-5 is our score. Raquel now to serve.
Pacquiao Silva is up to serve. She is 6'2", only 22 years old. Oh, lucky! Oh, hindi bumagsak. Alam mo, muntik na yon.
And it turned out to be a lucky break almost for the Brazilians, but the Chinese get that point.
And for those of you wondering, yes, it's allowed now to touch the net at the serve as long as it goes inside.
A lot of variations, of course, in the rules.
Popa, quick one. Tuwaleshka, nabasa ng China.
Sun, rejected. And look at that. Quick shot there from Chen Jing.
Nice one there from Chen Jing. At nagtinginan sila ni Heiki last minute. Tinan mo yun. That was not the expected hitter. They thought that Heiki was going to go outside with a wide set. Last minute, nag-switch siya. Switched up. Nahuli niya si Chen Jing. Tinitignan siya.
Well, China is seemingly in control here as Brazil picks up 1 point, but still the Brazilians are down by 5.
6-11, here's a chance for Brazil to get their composure back. Medyo kalat-kalat ng konti, although nakakasingit sila ng mga puntos doon.
They'll have to squeeze in a couple of more, I think, Chicky.
Yes. So far, China is playing organized volleyball. They're playing their plays as they're called. Heiki is coming up with a lot of variations in her offense, and they have the